How to use Rednote for music messaging on iPhone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Rednote for music messaging. So let's dive right in. First things first, open the Rednote app. Now once you are on your home page, tap on this plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post. Now you can choose text capture or you can just choose from album. Let me just choose from album. Now after you have chosen your video, on the editing screen, tap the music note icon at the top. You will have right here. You will have two options right here. Tap on library. You can see here discover, or you can also choose from my collect. Just you will see many suggested musics right here. Simply choose the one you would like. You can also choose from your collection right here, my collect. If you have collection made, simply just for now go for discover and scroll down until you find the music you want to add. Now tap on the song to preview it like this, and if it fits, select it to add to your video. Tap on apply. And just like that, your song will be applied to your video. Now after adding the music, you can enhance your video with filters, text or stickers if desired. Once satisfied, you can tap next, and you can write caption and hashtags from here, and you can also choose your privacy settings from here. And once you choose it, simply tap post to share your musical message with the world. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Rednote for music messaging on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.